and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Hey guys, good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And welcome back to it, another new vlog, but it is going to be a busy day vlog, guys. You're gonna watch. Then come on, guys, let's get started. Today, very quickly, I just started preparing the breakfast and as well as the lunch together because I have lot of work today. For the breakfast today I am preparing onion rava dosa, which is very tasty, guys, and this recipe it's already there in our channel. Please go ahead and check it out. And can you see the consistency, guys? Very watery. And this is an onions finely chopped, and here again I just started preparing even for the lunch the specialist fish curry, guys, and this recipe also there in our channel. Onion rava dosa recipe, fish curry recipe link I'm gonna give in the description box below. Who are interested, please go ahead and check it out. Fish curry is ready. Now it's time to have my lunch. So let me taste it and tell you. Very tasty, guys, fish curry, and you guys also give it a try. Today I have a plan of preparing mango pickle, and are you guys ready to watch, which is a very famous pickle, guys. So here are the mangoes are ready to prepare a pickle. Mango pickle is one of the most commonly made condiment in Indian homes. Each region has a different recipe, style or a way of making it. Avakaya is a popular pickle variety from Andhra. So today I am going to show you the recipe from Andhra. We need to choose the fresh, sour, hard and matured raw mangoes to prepare this pickle. We need to wash the mangoes thoroughly and soak in a large white pail or a bucket for an hour and remove from the water and allow to dry. The pickle variety mangoes are very hard and tough to cut them correctly in most of the homes. Men cut these with the help of a special traditional cutter, but here, since I do not have it, my mom cut it with a large sharp knife. You will have to wash and sun dry the cutter or a knife as well. Here I am making a pickle of grated also, so that recipe also I am going to show you today, guys. Please watch full video. Making Andhra mango pickle is not difficult. Using the right proportion of the ingredients and then bringing them together in a jar is all that is needed. It is super simple to make, but avakaya is mostly not made in small proportion. It has a good shelf life of a year without refrigeration if the entire process is followed carefully. My ancestors used to make this pickle with 30 to 40 mangoes every summer. The pickle recipe I am sharing is a standard and traditional one. It is the same in almost all the homes. The measuring cup I am using here, same measuring cup I am going to use it for all the ingredients, and here 4 cups of mangoes. I am going to use 1 cup of mustard powder, 1 cup of chili powder, 3/4 cup of crystal salt and half cup of garlic and 500 ml of gingerly oil. And the same measurement I'm going to repeat it for the remaining mangoes. Before preparing this pickle, we need to have a lot of preparation before a day. Clean and then sun dry all the mustard seeds, crystal salt, methi seeds and red chili powder for few hours. This is done to ensure they are moist free. Last but not the least, I'm going to pour the oil of 1 liter because here I am taking 2 times quantity. So I'm going to give a nice mix to it with the help of the wooden ladle. After everything done, keep this in a dry shelf for 3 full days. On the 4th day, open the lid and then mix it. Use strong wooden ladle to mix it again, and then your Andhra avakaya recipe will be ready. We can serve this pickle with hot rice and ghee. It will be amazing. Now here the grated mango pickle I'm just preparing, guys. Please watch it. And same measurement, I'm just taking what I have taken it for avakaya recipe. Same thing even for the grated mango also. So 4 cups of grated mango, 1 cup of mustard powder, 1 cup of chili powder, half tablespoon of methi powder and 500 ml gingerly oil. This is mustard powder. Now I'm gonna add to the same bowl. Three-fourth cup of salt and 1 cup of chili powder, 1/4 cup of chili powder extra I just added. It's an optional, guys. If you want you can add it, or 1 cup of chili powder is enough. And here it is a methi powder, or you can call it as fenugreek powder of half tablespoon. And now with the help of the wooden ladle, I'm gonna give a nice mix to it. And for this grated mango we need to do bit of tempering. So for that only the oil which we are going to use it for the mango pickle, same oil here I'm using it for tempering purpose also. So 500 ml oil I just pour in the pan and let it heat up. The oil started boiling, and now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Here I am adding asafoetida, is must for this grated mango pickle. Add pinch of asafoetida is enough. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Here I am adding 1 knob of crushed garlic and few red chilies. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now please mix well and wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then cut off the stove, let it cool down for some time. Oil got cooled down. Now I'm going to add to the mango pickle. Give a nice mix to it. So this, please rest this for 3 days Then fourth day, please open it, give a nice mix to it and try to taste it. If you feel the salt is less, you can even add it at that time also. So here my son started doing his homework. Every day he have to do it except on Sundays. He's gonna take a leave on that day. So here he started learning the basics in the system. He's enjoying with that. And here my Max is really enjoying with that chair. I don't know, as soon as seeing that chair he feel like playing with that, maybe because of the sound of it. Wait, come this side. Thank you. That's all for today's fun. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.